This is Charmaine. I'm the founder and Chief Digital Marketing Officer at Sky Digital Agency. Aside doing retainer projects for our clients, one of the things that we do at Sky Digital Agency is conducting training. So one of the training that we do is called Content Marketing with Ebook and landing pages. So why is it called content marketing with ebook and landing pages, which is this course, is that in exchange for a person's email or details, we want to give value. So you do not really have to do ebook. You can use other types of contents like videos and to generate email leads or leads for your business, right? It can be name, it can be mobile phone, or name, email, in exchange for your content. And this ebook can easily be created with PowerPoint. And we PDF it, and we use this platform called MailerLite to generate this pop-up, to generate email leads. And that's the reason why this content marketing, specifically this strategy, is to use ebooks, okay? With regards to other types of content marketing like video, you can see this pop up on my screen right now is using a video marketing strategy where if the person actually put in their name and email, they actually get the 40-minute worth of videos of training for them to learn about Instagram marketing and strategy. So that's what we are actually going to cover in our content marketing workshop. And in this content marketing workshop is one full day, and we actually teach you and share with you about this platform called MailerLite. So what is MailerLite and what does MailerLite do? MailerLite is actually an email marketing software. We were recently approached by MailerLite to be one of their listed experts on their corporate branding website. Is because we have been teaching this software in two of our courses, SEO marketing and content marketing course. In our email marketing course, we teach two platforms, MailChimp and MailerLite. The reason why we prefer MailerLite is because one of the key things that it has helped us greatly is the design of their features, like the pop-ups, their landing pages. These are ways to generate leads for your business. These are ways where you can do content for your business to generate branding, brand awareness, and leads for your business. So MailerLite is a really easy platform. So far, there are two types of participants and clients who will move from MailChimp to MailerLite. If they have a greater than 2,000 email subscribers, they usually go to MailerLite because it's much cheaper. It's only 15 USD or euros, so it's much cheaper than MailChimp's plans. And one of the things about MailerLite is the statistics that they give. So I'll just show you very quickly some of the stats that we have generated with our different types of ebooks. All right. So we have quite a few ebooks. This is the video strategy that we have recently done. Okay, launched. This is a video pop-up that we recently did in 30th October, and it has popped up 263 times because it's only embedded to a specific course. So the conversion rate is 1.9%, and this is not something that we actually get on MailChimp, which actually the conversion rates is really important for anyone to measure metrics. Okay, so ebook popped up 5,000 times, conversion 1.7%. Facebook pop up 2,300 times, conversion 2.08%. So from this, you actually know that our Facebook ebook is actually doing the best. Okay, but one of the reasons why is because it's only attached to our Facebook courses, so it's more relevant. For SEO ebook, it's actually popping up in a lot of places as well. So relevancy is really important in lead generation. All right, so yeah, so that's what we're going to teach you. We're going to teach you how to create a very simple ebook with PowerPoint. Let me pull up a really quick example of what you're going to create during the class. Okay, these are some of our ebooks that we have done. Okay, this was done quite some time ago. 10 ways to rank on Google. Profile. We'll share with you why it's important to have your profile. So, summary, quick executive summary of what you do, and then go into the topic. And this is our ebook, okay? And what we are going to share with you is really simple. This is our older Facebook marketing ebook. We have recently updated our ebook as a boost post ebook. Okay, so these are things that you are able to do at least 4 to 5 pages during the one-day workshop. Okay, so no matter what, it's just the guideline that is really important. Our sample ebooks will be shared with you, and you can use it as a guide to continue to complete your ebook and uploading the new ebook onto your website to generate email leads. And these are pop-ups. You don't need to be able to know how to code. There will be a script that is generated, and you can actually embed it into your website. And every time when you update this pop-up here within MailerLite, you don't have to update the script. So that's the amazing part about scripts. Okay, so MailerLite, pop-ups, ebooks, we are going to learn about content strategy, buyer's journey, and this is taught in a one-day content marketing workshop. So if you're interested to learn more how you can generate leads for your business, tourism, F&B, the different types of contents you can build for different types of product and service-based businesses, reach out to Maurice. If you're in Mauritius, reach out to us at Sky Digital Agency at workshops@skycrm.asia if you're based in Singapore, or you would like to inquire about overseas training that we conduct. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions at all, drop a comment below. We look forward to hearing from you, and we definitely look forward to seeing you at our next video and our workshops.